I'm live. Can you see me? Can you hear me, everybody? Can you hear me, everybody? Can you see me? Can you hear me? I'm just trying to do something. All right, one second. Hopefully, you should be able to see me. Namaskar, 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 namaskar. Now I can't see your messages. ये टेक्निकल मामला है यार, बहुत सारा कुछ कैसे करें यार. Where are your messages यार? I can't see your messages. One second, I can't see your messages. I can't read your messages. Can you hear me? Tell me, can you hear me? Gosh, this is... Can you guys hear me? Please tell me. Can you guys hear me? मुझे मेरी आवाज सुनाई दे रही है? Why can't I see the messages? Normally, right side where I can see all the message. One second. Side. Always wait to say thank you. You can hear me. Thank you so much. Vinamra Namaskar. Vinamra Babbal, Namaskar. Rumita Chatterjee, Namaskar. So we are getting into the business of chatting right now. We are talking about listening. Today's conversation is on listening, right? Good. Now your voice is clear. Thank you so much, Pooja, for bringing it up. Good afternoon, Pooja Narang. Namaskar. Akash Avi, Namaskar. Neelam Gori. Thank you. Now hearing. Wonderful. Vaishali Gupta. So today's conversation is on listening. Now quickly tell me, what do you think? Why do you think listening is important? आप मुझे बताइए, सुनना जरूरी क्यों है? आप बताइए सुनना क्यों जरूरी है? अभी का एग्जाम्पल आपको मैं दूंगा, आप बताइए. सोमा, हाउ आर यू? आनंदिता, listening, let's listen. I love it, Anandita Banerjee. Wow, I love that. I've just put it right here. Why do you think listening is important? आप बताइए सुनना जरूरी क्यों है? नमस्कार गगन, कैसे हैं आप बेटा? आज सुनते हैं, ठीक है? By listening we can learn. Very good. CSR Mahadevan says by listening we can learn. Absolutely, very good. Listening is a good sign. Whoa, I love this. Aritra, you are really deep, my friend. Aritra ने बहुत अच्छी बात कही है. कहा है कि listening is a sign of respect. It makes people feel valued. आप जब किसी की बात सुनते हैं तो आप लोगों का आदर करते हैं. Very interesting. इसके ऊपर हम डेवलप करने वाले हैं. Because इंसान दूसरों को कम सुनता है. Once again, good listening gives us to demonstrate that we are paying attention to the thoughts, feelings, and behaviors of other person. Very good. I love this. Sunil Adhikari, बहुत बढ़िया बात आपने करी है. Once again, let me just add that. Sunil Adhikari, okay? Really, he says good listening allows us to demonstrate that we are paying attention to the thoughts, feelings, and behaviors of other people. जब मैं किसी को सुनता हूं, सबसे पहली बात, I learn from that person, undoubtedly. Secondly, that person experiences being respected. मतलब आप जब किसी की बात सुनते हैं तो सामने वाला महसूस करता है कि उसको रिस्पेक्ट किया जा रहा है. अब मैं आपको एक चीज सच बताता हूं. यहां पर कोई भी बात जो मैं करता हूं, ऐसा मत सोचिए कि मैं उसका मास्टर हूं. ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है कि मैं उन हर चीज को बहुत अच्छी तरह से करता हूं. आई एम वेरी गुड एट इट. नो, बट आई एम समबडी हु इज कमिटेड टू इट. ऑलराइट? सो आई एम बाय नेचर अ वेरी टॉकेटिव पर्सन. ऑलराइट? सो टॉकेटिव पर्सन जो होता है वो ज्यादा बात करता है और कई बार सुनने में चूक जाता है. नाउ ओवर द years, one change and shift that I'm continuously making in myself is that I'm upping my ability to listen. All right? And why am I doing it? I'll tell you. For me, it is very clear. The more I have listened, the more I have gained. So from a few years back, कुछ साल पहले से लेके अब तक, मैं देखता हूं कि मैंने अपने सुनने की क्षमता को बढ़ाया है. All right? So that has been a huge plus for me, and I have gained a lot from that. तो सबसे पहले मैं आप लोगों को कहूंगा, listening is आपको लोग आपको फ्रीली बहुत सारी चीजें बता रहे हैं, ले लीजिए, ग्रहण कर लीजिए. ओके? जिसको हम कहते हैं लूट लो यार. when people give you feedback, when they tell you things, loot लो यार, because वो ऐसी चीज बोल रहे हैं which you are not even paying them for. So here comes the next part. Any one of you have heard of the term free का advice? फ्री का एडवाइस दे रहा है वो. हाँ, हैव यू हर्ड ऑफ इट? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू? बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया मोहम्मद इश्ताक आलम. आप मुझे बताइए किसने आप में से सुना है अबाउट फ्री का एडवाइस? हम कहते हैं ना, अरे फ्री का एडवाइस मत दे, तेरे से मांगा क्या एडवाइस? व्हाई यू गिविंग मी फ्री का एडवाइस? आई डोंट वांट फ्री एडवाइस. हैव यू एवर एक्सपीरियंस दैट? Beautiful. I love this. What Rebecca Vasanti Ramaswamy said. Sometimes you have to listen to somebody's problem also. Fantastic. We are coming to that. Very. Priya Sudarani is also very talkative. Two of us. Very good. All right. Tell me. आपने ऐसा बोला है किसी को? Hello. Why are you giving me free advice? दिया है, बोला है किसी को कि नहीं? Talk more but listen less. हाँ, बोलाना चाहिए. ऐसा होता है. बताइए किसने ऐसा कहा है लोगों को, अरे मुझे फ्री का एडवाइस मत दो? वी हैव सेड इट, राइट? नाउ आई विल टेल यू समथिंग वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. गिव मी एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ व्हाट इज द काइंड ऑफ फ्री का एडवाइस पीपल हैव गिवन. वेरी केयरफुली टेल मी एन एग्जाम्पल. यस, व्हाट इज द फ्री का एडवाइस? व्हाट इज द काइंड ऑफ फ्री का एडवाइस दे गिव? टेल मी. जस्ट थिंक ऑफ व्हाट इज द फ्री का एडवाइस दैट दे गिव यू which you don't like. Tell me. It hurts when you say free ka advice, Madhu. I got it, but I'm just saying. Oh, Badrish Pandey, kya baat hai, kya baat hai, kya baat hai. Exactly, my friend. Free ka advice is the most costly thing. I'll tell you something. I'll tell you something very, very interesting. You know, free ka advice, exactly, it is positive criticism. You know, somebody who smokes a lot, an uncle or somebody will say, hey, don't smoke. बोला ना smoke मत कर, ज़्यादा खा रहे हो मत खा. कोई कह रहा है लेट आ रहा है, लेट मत आओ. Free का advice is the best advice that people give. But since we do not want to take it, हमको लेना नहीं है क्योंकि हमको लगता है हमारा बुराई हो रहा है, तो हम लोग उसको stop करते हैं. We stop it. Alright? My friends, free का advice ले. Take all the advice people are giving, because it is, somebody is seeing you from an angle which you can't see yourself. You know, we are only seeing this way. But when people are looking at us, they are giving their point of view. Now listen very, very carefully. Very carefully you got to listen. You will know what is a good advice. You will know. And you will also know the kind of advice which is not really you need to take. For example, somebody is saying, don't try to do this. You will understand. They're actually pushing you back. You will understand that. But be careful not to stop people from giving advice. Take all advices and then choose. For me, मैं सबकी सुनता हूँ. Certainly. And then I can choose. I want a little bit of this and a little bit of this. इसलिए I don't travel alone. मैं जिंदगी में अकेला नहीं रहता हूँ. मैं continuously किसी से भी मिलता हूँ. So tell me, what do you think I should do? I'll give you an example. मैं आपको एक example देता हूँ. You know, when this lockdown happened and all our programs got cancelled, and I was chatting and we were trying to do something for a set of people and all that was happening. How do we do it? Then I spoke to my son and I told him, you know, Arth, what we are thinking is that we're going to do these programs for individual people, and because earlier we used to do it for organizations, now we are thinking of doing it for individual people. Because, you know, organizations right now, they are not functioning. And Arth said something very nice. He says, why, Baba? Why can you also not do it for organizations? Because now that they are closed, there's probably something that you could. Now, I had not asked him for that, but he just gave me that advice. And within 10 minutes, I just got back to my team and said, listen, how will it be? We are thinking that we only give our programs out to organizations in the traditional way, उधर उनके सामने जाकर. But now in this new scenario, हम लोग दूसरी तरह से भी तो दे सकते हैं. So just inside of that free advice that I got from my son and I accepted, something amazing came up. Do you get that? So there are two aspects to it. One, I got that, okay, and I'm benefiting from that. Secondly, I also told him, I said, thank you, Arth. Thank you for giving me that advice. All right. See, when you let people, when you stop people, don't give advice. Don't tell, mat bol. Then you know what happens? They'll say, "ठीक है, mat bol यार." They will know what could be good for you, but they will not give. उनको पता है कि आपके लिए अच्छी चीज हो सकती है, लेकिन वो देंगे नहीं. इनफैक्ट मैं अपने दोस्तों के साथ, आई एम वेरी लकी कि मेरे कुछ दोस्त ऐसे हैं. मेरे इनफैक्ट सब दोस्तों के साथ क्लियर है कि वो लोग मुझे कभी भी कुछ फीडबैक दे सकते हैं और मुंह फट बोलते हैं मुझे. एंड आई गेन अ लॉट फ्रॉम दैट. आई माइट नॉट ऑलवेज लाइक इट, बट डजंट मैटर. वो जो मुझे कह रहे हैं, कहीं ना कहीं इट इज ऑफ यूज टू मी. वो लोग देते हैं फॉर गुड रीजन. हाउ इज सन? हर्षद अच्छा है, इज टेकिंग केयर ऑफ हिमसेल्फ एंड ही इज स्टडीइंग एंड alone and is dealing with it beautifully. Very proud of him, and he's got some amazing friends. I'm so very happy. वो दूर हैं लेकिन वो लोग टच में हैं. बहुत अच्छा लगता है. लोग बोलते थे, कह रहे ऐसे मत गा. हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, कोई क्रिकेट में आपको सजेस्ट कर रहा है. ओके, अवनीश मिश्रा has written something. He says sometimes free का advice can be dangerous. My friend, free का advice is not dangerous. It is up to you. आप क्या फ्री का एडवाइस ले रहे हो? सी, मैं आपको बताता हूं. मेनी इयर्स बैक मेरे पास बाइक होती थी नेशनल स्कूल ऑफ ड्रामा में. कॉलेज में बाइक थी तो मैं खूब फास्ट चलाता था बाइक, ऐसे चला के और ऐसे कर पार्क करता था. बहुत बार गिरा. आई हैव had many falls, accidents, everything was there, but I still would drive fast. My parents would also tell me कि आशीष धीरे चलाओ, और मैं नहीं सुनता था. एक दिन one day I parked my bike and हमारे पंडित जी, he used to, हमारे चौकीदार साहब थे वो नेशनल स्कूल ऑफ ड्रामा में, और मैं ऐसे करके गाड़ी पार्क किया, हमने मोबाइल पार्क किया, पंडित जी बोल के अंदर जा रहा था. सडनली पंडित जी कहते हैं, बाबूजी बुरा मत मानिएगा, हमारे गांव में कहते हैं कि बनिया कहता है जल्दी मत करो, देर हो जाएगी. What he told me was that, sir, please don't mind, but in our village, a trader says, if you hurry up, then you might get late. Can I tell you honestly? I just looked at him. ठीक है पंडित जी. And I walked. And I promise you, from that day on, my driving fast went out the window. मैं फास्ट चलाना छोड़ दिया. समथिंग लिट मी अप. जल्दी मत करो, देर हो जाएगी. माई फ्रेंड्स, नॉट जस्ट फॉर ड्राइविंग, फॉर सो मेनी थिंग्स इन माई लाइफ आई हैव टेकन दैट ऑन. जल्दी मत करो, देर हो जाएगी. डोंट हरी अप सो मच दैट यू मे गेट डिलेड. It all came inside of somebody giving me an advice which I had not asked for. Listening is one of the most powerful things available to each one of us. That I'm doing what I'm doing right now, it has come inside of somebody telling me, Ashish, why don't you speak to people? अरे क्या यार, क्या मैं करता हूँ ना बीच बीच में, I do Facebook Live. He says, no, in this period people need somebody to talk to them. Just talk to them. I said, come on, yaar. Each day? Somebody said, don't do each day. Don't do each day. Then, people will think you're easily available. Then I said, why? Let them know that I am available to them. I'm happy that I'm available. I don't want to be exclusive. Yeah, I got it. But I want to be available at this point. Because इस समय there are a lot of things which are freely available fear, freely available uncertainty, freely available कुछ नहीं हो सकता. उसमें let me also be freely available. It is possible. Freely available. Let's make something amazing out of this life. Freely available. Let's do something extraordinary. And let's spread love. Freely available. In fact, I'm giving you free advice. आप मुझे पे नहीं कर रहे हैं. I'm not getting any money from you. In fact, you didn't even invite me to come. I have come on my own. My friends, life is filled with things which are free if only we are ready to listen to it. Listen to it, because in listening there is opportunity. Opportunity. कल का एपिसोड बन गया. कल तो नहीं मिलूंगा मैं आपसे. Tomorrow I'm going to be on another webinar, but day after tomorrow I will talk to you about opportunity. मौका. मौका ढूंढते हैं ना हम लोग सब. We all look for opportunity, and it will look like opportunity लिखा होगा. We will talk about opportunity, क्योंकि listening creates opportunity. Listening allows you to listen to what could be possible. Interesting, my friend. Day after tomorrow I'm not going to meet you. Tomorrow I'm going to be on another live webinar for Tata Management Training Center. So I'm going to miss meeting you. But from today till day after tomorrow, I want you to practice listening, and listening keenly. And okay, this is done. You will have to send me messages on this saying that what did you learn new when you started listening more openly, more keenly. And in the meanwhile, please visit my YouTube channel, Ashish Vidyarthi Official. You can also visit my website, avidminer.com, and have a look at it. Engage in some conversations there. I'm so very happy to have met you, my friends. We have met by chance. Yes, we have. I'm happy. So we have come close to our closing time. And since I was here 2 minutes late, I'm going to continue for 2-3 minutes more. Exactly. सबकी सुनो और वो करो जो आपके ऊपर ठीक चलता है. That after listening to you, even my blood code has gone. Rahul Gautam, I love this. अरे राहुल गौतम ने बहुत बढ़िया अमेजिंग बात करी उन्होंने. देखो देखो देखो. मैं हिंदी में बोलता हूँ दोस्त. हिंदी में बोलता हूँ. बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. आलोक राष्ट्रवादी पैरम आदरणीय, मैं बहुत बड़ा फैन हूँ. प्लीज थोड़े हिंदी में भी बोलिए. बिल्कुल दोस्त, मैं तो हिंदी में तो बोल ही रहा हूँ. हिंदी अंग्रेजी दोनों को मिलाकर बोल रहा हूँ. राहुल गौतम बोल रहे हैं कि उनको यहां पर ऐसी पॉजिटिविटी दिख रही है कि उनका ब्लड कोड भी पॉजिटिव हो गया है. वाह, वेरी वेरी हैप्पी. अभी वॉइस अच्छी भी आ रही है आपकी. थैंक यू देव, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. थैंक यू सो मच प्रिया चंद्रा. ग्लैड टू मीट यू टू सर. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका प्रिया. अनंता बैनर्जी, माय फैमिली एंड फ्रेंड्स से आई एम अ गुड लिसनर. Strength, strength, strength. So tomorrow, day after tomorrow, we're going to discuss opportunity. So we're going to meet day after, my friends. Till then, keep listening and keep sharing. What did you learn just inside of your listening? आप प्लीज शेयर करिए कमेंट्स में कि आपने सुनने के तहत आपने क्या पाया. ठीक है. और मेरे YouTube चैनल पे जरूर जाइएगा, आशीष विद्यार्थी ऑफिशियल. मिलता हूं परसों 3:45 बजे. 3:45 बजे परसों मिलेंगे साथी. 3:45 बजे. ठीक है. See you. Take care. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Thank you so very much, everybody. You stay well, stay safe, stay home, and stay bright. Cheers. Al shukran bandhu. Al shukran zindagi. Thank you. Thank you so very much. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका.